likely until midnight, then mostly clear after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds, large hail and heavy rainfall until midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lamoille County in northwestern Vermont, southern Orleans County in northeastern Vermont, northeastern Washington County in central Vermont, southwestern Essex County in northeastern Vermont, Caledonia County in northeastern Vermont until 5 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over South Woodbury, moving east-northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Barrie, Montpelier, Littleton, Stowe, Hardwick, Berlin, East Montpelier, Danville, Morrisville, Middlesex, Barnet, Woolgate, Calais, Plainfield, Concord, Craftsbury, Glover, Sutton, Worcester, and Walden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now the official National Weather Service forecast.